Welcome to Khetz Tutorials and welcome to a new series. This series I'll be focusing on LTspice. It's a very useful tool. So before you build any circuit, you'd want to verify its behavior, and LTspice is a lightweight simulation tool which you can use to do just that. So already here I have this in my search bar. I just typed in LTspice download, and in this video I'm just going to cover the installation process and just introduce you to the LTspice interface. So now if you click on the first link, it should lead you to Analog Devices web page. Just accept that and just select the device which you're currently using. I'm on a 64-bit machine, and if you press that, which is the second option, it will start downloading. So let me just skip this because I already have LTspice installed on my PC, and you just have your installation. Click on it, run it, accept everything, and you should be good to go. So now when you open LTspice, this is how you expect it to look, but sometimes you'd find that this is the layout that you find. So there isn't much on the page, and you might want to use some tools which you're familiar with. So if you're familiar with LTspice, this is a good refresher for you. And if you're totally new to it, then you can also follow along with the tutorial. So it's for both new users and old users. So now, if you want to bring that toolbar back, you just press view or click on view, then bring the toolbar back. So this is the standard look of LTspice after downloading it. And you have a bunch of options over here, and in the videos that will follow, I'll just be taking you through each one of these things, and I can just start talking about a few of them. So the first one opens a schematic. So you want to draw a circuit, or you want to lay out something, so you'd have to have a schematic. So you press this button for that, and here this is the button which you use to open files. So if you have an existing file, then that is what you press to access that file. This is a save button, and here this is where you'd open the control panel, which has a bunch of settings which we'll cover a bit later. This is the simulation button, so you run your simulations using this button, and the other buttons you can basically play around with. So after installing, this is what you expect, and this is what I just wanted to cover in the first video, just the basic installation of LTspice.